Hey, good morning. Today we are going to work on determining the perimeter of an irregular figure. An irregular figure means it just doesn't look like a regular figure, like a perfect rectangle or square. And sometimes we're given these weird looking shapes that when we have to determine the perimeter of them. So this one I drew, and remember, perimeter is finding the distance around a shape. Okay, and so if we were to start here and travel around our shape, how far would we have traveled? That's what we're trying to determine, okay? So we are supposed to travel 9 down here, across here, down 3 inches, across 14 inches, and up 8 inches. But as we start to travel, you will notice some of these measurements are missing. Once we get here and turn down, this measurement is missing. And then once we turn this corner, this measurement is missing. However, we have been given measurements to help us fill in these blank spots. And let me show you what that looks like. So obviously the first measurement is 9 inches. So once we go across, or once we start to turn down, there's nothing here. But if you think about the rules of a rectangle, this side must equal this side, right? So if I were to break this big space into a rectangle, now I know the top is 9 inches across and this side is 8. So that means this side must equal 8 in all. But if you look over here, 3 has already been given to you. So that means this is 3. And if this entire thing is 8, then this entire thing is 8. And if I have 3 so far, how many more do I need to make a full length of 8? The answer is 5, because 3 and then 5 more would be 8. So this entire side should be 8 inches long if I were to cut it off. And since I have 3 so far, because this tells me that this is 3, so this much, because they're the same. So if this is 3, then this is 3. And if this entire thing is 8, then this must be 5. Okay, so that is 5 inches. And then let me clear this out so this is easier to see. So then we have this length right here. Okay, so it's the same thing. Using this 14, I'm going to close off this bottom rectangle, right? So this entire thing is 14. And the rules of a rectangle say that that means this entire thing is 14. From here to here, it has to be 14. And if this is 9, then this is 9. So if I have 9 so far, how much do I need to get to 14? So 9 plus something equals 14. And the answer is 5. That means this is 9 and this is 5. And together it's 14. Okay? So now that I have all of my blanks filled in, now I can continue traveling around my shape. So I have 9 and now I have 5. And 9 plus 5 equals 14. I'm done using these. I'm going to turn and travel 5 more. 14 plus 5 is 19. I'm going to turn down and travel 3 more, and 19 plus 3 is 22. I'm going to turn and travel a long one, 14 more, which gives me 36. I'm done with this. I'm going to travel my last side, which is 8 more, so 36 plus 8 is 44. So my entire perimeter is 44 inches. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. It is tricky finding the missing side lengths, but don't forget the rules of your quadrilaterals, and that should help you fill them in.